Hey guys, welcome to the one more triple driver in-ear headphones review video. We unboxed these headphones last week, and if you haven't watched the video, you can click on the top right hand corner of your screen and go watch it now. Before we begin today's video, let's just clear out some things. This review is solely based on my opinion. I'll be talking about this product through my perspective. All the YouTube videos, all the YouTube review videos which you watch online are the perspective of the person reviewing it. Now, I'm not saying I'm an audiophile. I'm just another consumer who happened to have a lot of earphones in the past few years. So having said that, let's begin to this video. So here's the one more triple driver in-ear headphones. Now it cost 8,999 rupees in India, and that is approximately $130. I got it in a deal over Amazon. I got it for 7,777. That is approximately $113. These headphones come in two colors, either golden or titanium. I opted for the titanium one, as you can see. It also comes in two variants. So you can get a 3.5mm jack, or you can get a lightning port. It's completely up to you. Now it is called triple drivers because it uses three drivers, one dynamic driver and two tweeters. So all these drivers handle different frequencies, which is why we get a detailed sound. I'll talk about the sound quality later in this video. Now in a generic headphone, one driver is handling all the frequencies, while in this particular earphones, there are three different drivers which are actually handling the frequencies. When there are three different drivers who are handling the frequencies of the sound, you get a better detailed sound because of these three drivers. I'll talk about it later in this video. Now, as I said in the unboxing video that I was using the OnePlus Bullets version 2 and the Audio-Technica Sonic Fuel, and what music I heard on those earphones and what I'm hearing on these, they have a massive difference. Now, of course, because of the price tag, now those headphones come in mere $15, while these cost $100 more. Talking about the design, here's the Audio-Technica Sonic Fuel, and here's the one more triple driver. Now, as I said in the previous episode that I was not appealed with the design, it's because you see the angle tip which the one more uses. This design is similar to these ones which I already had, which is why I said that the design did not appeal to me. The earbuds are made up of solid metal. Its build is strong and it's durable. While these earbuds are strong and durable, these cables have got me a little worried. They are actually using this braided nylon, but once you see above this Y splitter, it's using some cheap plastic. And when you're investing $100, you don't expect that the product will use a cheap plastic. As I said, I wanted a flat cable over here, so that would have been a perfect one for me. That's just another preference, my personal preference. These earphones keeps on tangling, and it's so frustrating. These keep on tangling again and again. So moving on, let's talk about the fit of these earphones. I have never used a foam ear tip, and I probably may not be. I used the foam ear tip and I did not feel it. I just did not feel that foam tips were comfortable to me. Within 5 minutes, I switched back to the silicone ones, and these fit in perfectly for me. Maybe I'm not a foam tip person, or maybe, just maybe, the quality of this foam tip was not up to the mark. Now, I cannot say that for sure because I never have used a foam tip before. But an interesting analogy, eh? So I put on these silicone tips and the fit. It's comforting. It's amazing. The fit is amazing. I walked around using these earphones and I did not have that constant urge to touch it again and again, to adjust it again and again. It was just there perfectly. Later on, I started grooving to the music, shook my head a little bit, then I started head banging. Slightly got a little head rush, but these headphones never came off. So the comfort is perfect for me. I believe the comfort is perfect. I just want to point out that these headphones are not waterproof, so just be careful about that. Here we go about the inline control. There are three buttons: standard, volume up, volume down, and the pause and play button. There's a microphone at the back. So the buttons feel rigid and it's sturdy, it's strong, the build quality is strong. About the microphone, let's just test it. Next up, you'll hear me speak through the one more triple driver's microphone, and you decide about the sound quality of this microphone. What you're hearing now is the unaltered audio file recorded using the microphone of One More Triple Driver in-ear headphones. I'm a big fan of L-shaped jacks. You know why? Because I tend to use my laptop laying down on my bed, and I watch a lot of TV shows, and whatever I'm doing, I'm using my earphones while laying down on the bed. So these L-shaped ones allow me to turn to one side if I want to, without me thinking about fraying my cable from this point. But these are not as comfortable on the mobile phone, because I was not able to get my grip entirely on the phone while playing games or while watching any videos on my mobile phone. Because of the height of this jack, I could not get my hand perfectly to fit on it. So what I did was I tilted the jack a little bit, and then I brought in my hand and I got that grip. So if I had to manage that. Apart from that, it was fine. Finally, let's talk about the sound quality of these headphones. The mids and the bass are amazing. It delivers thumping low-end sound, and it does not disrupt any other aspect of the soundtrack. But when you max out the volume, the bass is kind of upstaged, and when the volume is maxed out, the highs, the treble, you'll feel it a little bit harsh. The highs are detailed and smooth otherwise, but there is room for improvement, of course. The mids complement the highs, and they are detailed and they are very clear. Powerful and yet controlled bass. So that's perfect one for me. I did a little bit of gaming with these headphones, and I kept it on for prolonged hours, and it did not have the urge of touching it again and again or adjusting it. It was comfortable while using it, and it works well for gaming. It's not the best one, I'll say, but it works well because I hate the over the ear headphones. I like the in-ear ones, so these are convenient for me to use while I game. So concluding, what I'll say is these headphones are probably the best headphones I have ever bought, and these are probably one of the best in the $100 range. So if you are looking to upgrade your earphones, you're going in for a premium range headphones, I'd really suggest you to buy this one. The cable is the issue for me, but apart from that, if you get past that, these are amazing. They fit comfortably, the sound quality is amazing. Design wise, not new, but the comfort matters, and that's all. So that's it, guys. That's all from my side. That was the One More Triple Driver in-ear headphones review. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, comment below, share this video. Help me out, subscribe to my channel, and share this video as much as possible. I will see you in the next one. Until next time, peace out.